Hello everyone, we are here with a new video about the Pixel 8 that is launched recently, and today we've got everything to share including a live hands-on, the full video promo, and the full specs including the price. Let me know in the comments, who are going to buy the Pixel 8 series. The Pixel 8 series is launched on the 4th of October at 3 p.m. at British summertime, and we have seen the Pixel 8, the Pixel 8 Pro, the new Pixel Bud Pro Porcelain and the Pixel Watch 2. This phone comes up with more security with the Titan M2 chip, but the focus is mainly around photography and photo and video editing. The Pixel 8 is launched from $699, in the Pixel 8 Pro from $899. So the Pixel 8 has an increase of $100 compared to last year, and the Pixel 8 Pro remains the same price as last year, and it really creates a lot more of a reason to be opting for the Pro this time. In the standard Pixel 8, we get a 6.17-inch flat display. It's a 120Hz Full HD plus OLED with a resolution of 2400 by 1080. And a peak brightness of 2000 nits. We get a 10.5 megapixel punch front camera for the selfies, then on the rear we've got a 50 megapixel Samsung GN2 for the primary camera, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It's of course powered by Google's new Tensor G3 chipset, and it comes with 8 GB of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256 storage. We get a 4575 mAh battery. This has a 27-watt fast wide charging, and up to 18-watt fast wireless charging. We also get 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3 Wi-Fi 7 and of course, the phone is going to ship with Android 14. It started from $699. Now next up we've got the Pixel 8 Pro, and for the first time ever we get a 6.7-inch 120Hz flat display on the Pro model. It's coming up with a resolution of 29.92 by 1344 giving us 490 pixels per inch, and we get a peak brightness of 2400 nits. We get a 10.5 megapixel punch selfie camera for the selfies. Then on the rear we get a 50 megapixel Samsung GN2 for the primary camera. A 48 megapixel camera for the ultra-wide, and another 48 megapixel camera for the telephoto, which supports up to 30 times super rare zoom. Then we've also got optical and electronic stabilization for the wide angle, and the telephoto camera it's of course powered by Google's new Tensor G3 chipset. And it comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage for the USA customers, and up to 512 GB for the rest of the world. And it will of course be UFS 3.1 storage. We had a 5050 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. When using a wire then up to 23 watts fast wireless charging. We also get 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wide band. And then we also get a new temperature sensor, which is brand new to the Pixel series. Now the phone will of course ship the new Android 14, and the phone is launched on the 4th of October and its starting price is from $899. The new features including video boost, improved night sight, audio eraser, and real tone for better skin tones. And it also confirms a new AI face swapping feature that's being added to Google Photos. On top of that we've got the Magic Editor for Google Photos, and this is going to allow you to make some big changes to your photos, and as expected Google's main focus is on the AI features and software improvements.